Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the weekdays, month, day or year of a particular given date in Excel sheet. So let's start the tutorial. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Notice on this worksheet contains some dates in cell A. Now I want to find what is the weekdays of a particular date. For example, if I select 13th December 2021, I want to find whether it's a Monday or Tuesday or Friday, whatever the weekday. I want to find the weekdays of this given dates. So for that, let's select the B cell. Write the formula is equals to text method. The text method takes two parameters, value and the format text. So the first value, the first parameter value we are getting from cell A. The value is 15th February. Shift and I am selecting the whole cells from A7. The values we are getting from A1 to A7. Now here between comma, between double quotes, I'm adding D, 4 D's I'm adding. Enter. So here we got the Sunday. So 15th February 2015 is a Sunday. Now let's drag this one. So here we got all the, let's put this in the center. Now here we got all the weekdays of the particular given dates. For example, the today's date is 1st July 2022. Let's add this one, 01 July 2022. It's Friday. Let's check. So here we got Friday here. So this is how we get the weekdays of a particular given date. Now I want to display the month, particular month of this given date. Only the months I want to display here. So for that, again the formula is equals to text. The values we are getting from this here to here, comma, between double quotes I am adding M. So here we got February. We got all the months. If you want to short form of these months, just add 2 M's instead of 4 M's. Let's add 2 M's here. See, here we got number 2. One is a January, 12th is a December, 8th is August, like that. If we add triple M, enter. So here we got the months in the short form. Instead of February, we got Feb. Now I want to display only the years of a particular date. Is equals to text method. The values we are getting from A1 to A8. Here is 4 Y's. Enter. So here we got 2015. The year is 2015. So we got all the years of the particular given dates. If you want to get only the date, for example, if the date day is 10th, December 18th, I want to display only the day, 10th date, is equals to text. Values we are getting from same. Just select all the dates, comma, between double quotes. Let's add DD. DD is a date. See here we got the day is 15th February 15th. Let's drag up to all the dates to display. So displaying only the day of this particular date. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to display only the weekdays, days, months and years of a particular given date in Excel sheets. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.